Erik Shoji is an American volleyball player. He was born on August 24, 1989 in Honolulu, Hawaii, United States. Shoji's parents are Dev and Mary Shoji. His older brother Kawika Shoji is also a player, the former member of the US national team. Shoji was a member of the men's junior national team in 2008 and 2009. He joined the senior national team in 2013 and helped the team with the gold medal at the NORCECA Championship. He is part of the US national team bronze medalist at the Olympic Games Rio 2016 and the 2018 World Championship, 2014 World League and 2015 World Cup winner, Champions League winner, Polish champion. He won gold medals in the 2014 and 2015 World Cups with the Italian club Taiwan Excellence Latina. He won a bronze medal with the United States at the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro. Erik Shoji is not married and he does not have a wife, but he is in a romantic relationship with his girlfriend Sydney Yogi. Erik Shoji's parents are Dev Shoji and Mary Shoji. His father Dev is a former University of Hawaii women's coach. His brother Kawika Shoji is also a volleyball player in the US men's team. Erik's sister Kawika Shoji Hutzler is a football player. The main source of Erik's income in his career in volleyball and other endorsement deals. Erik is considered a very good-looking person and people are great fans of his looks.